Hello, friends. This is Sundareshan, your compliance guru. Compliance is for an independent director. As we continue this talk, I will take up a few of them which are very important. The first being, of course, independent directors meeting. What is this? Simply put, all the independent directors will have to come together before the close of financial year and meet at least once separately. And do what? And discuss the most important issue, which is compensation to be paid to the CEO and to the senior management. So, this is one of the most guarded secrets that needs to be discussed by the set of independent directors and then collectively go back and present it to the other board members. So remember, it is once in a financial year. The next one is the board evaluation. What is a board evaluation? Law mandates that every listed company and public companies with certain threshold limit needs to conduct a board evaluation. Who should conduct this board evaluation? This board evaluation can be conducted by an outsider, which is a person like me who takes the feedback from the entire board and makes a presentation back to the board. How good, how bad the board performed as a team. Of course, the individual performances are never disclosed nor discussed. So, as a team, how did the boards perform is what the board evaluation is all about, which again is not a very simple exercise, it's a complicated exercise. Again, depends on the company. If the company is good, it's a complicated exercise. Otherwise, it is a very simple exercise, which is you are given few sheets of paper. You would proceed to do a box ticking exercise. The evaluation is done. So I will not discuss on the easy or the simple way of doing a board evaluation. The really tough ones have lot of great questions which are current, which are applicable to the company, some from the company perspective and some from the practices perspective, which can be country centric or global practices. All of these is bundled into a questionnaire sent to all the directors. Directors are given time to go through each of these questionnaire questions, revert with their feedback, and utmost confidentiality is maintained when the whole process of evaluation is being conducted. So once the board evaluation comes back, the tabulation is done, feedback is given, and if there is any shortcoming, that is informed by the chairman of the board personally to each of the individual directors, and that is where individual assessment gets completed. As a team, what needs to be improved, whether it is issue on the agenda papers, or it is an issue with a communication, or it is an issue with a conflict that a board member is not able to express inside the boardroom, whereas the person has listed it out in the evaluation sheet. That is discussed in the boardroom, and the differences get ironed out. That is the purpose of conducting a board evaluation. Now, board evaluation can be a 360-degree, right? Which is the CEO gets evaluated, the non-executive directors gets evaluated, the independent directors gets evaluated, the chairman of the company gets evaluated. And when I say 360, the evaluation can go right to the senior management who would assess the performance of each of these stakeholders and give a feedback to the board. How many companies can afford all of these? Would be the next question. Good one. Far and few. If I have to put a number to this far and few, it may be 100 companies on an outer limit. Out of say 7,000 listed companies and about 10,000 unlisted public companies, this would be the number that would be looking at the real time board evaluation with lot of seriousness. It's difficult, but it's worth the effort, and it brings lot of positive feedback inside the board. So, friends, board evaluation is not to be taken lightly. It is a very serious subject, and this board evaluation, backed with an independent directors meeting, actually brings the compensation or the remuneration part of the top management in the company at some balance. No big questions are asked once you do the evaluation. But if the evaluation is not done, then there are only questions to be asked. So keep questioning, keep writing, stay compliant, stay safe. See you soon.